Do you ever feel completely distracted, staring at your desk, with notifications buzzing non-stop? Everything seems messy, your mind scattered, and you don't know where to start. Take a deep breath, notice the chaos around you. It's normal, but there's a way forward. Imagine a spark of clarity igniting inside your mind. Suddenly, focus returns. Your eyes sharpen, your hands move with purpose, and the world feels manageable again. Tasks that seemed overwhelming now fall into place. Papers align, check marks appear, and progress happens, almost like magic. Feel your energy rising, your confidence growing, as your mind clears and your workspace transforms. The distractions fade. You are calm. You are alert. You are ready. This is your potential unlocked. Your focus is unstoppable. Start today, right now. Small changes. Big transformation. Subscribe to Smart Sense, and keep learning how to unlock your focus and productivity every single day.